What made you decide to put in a paver driveway?
Well, we were looking to change from asphalt, and I had some damage on the asphalt driveway, and we were considering concrete, and we wanted something that I thought looked a little bit nicer than concrete. So we explored the pavers, and we decided on that.
How did you hear about American Paving Design?
I heard about your company through an individual here on Datour Island who had their driveway done. And I went over and took a look at it and was very impressed with what I saw, and I really didn't even look around. I went directly to your company.
What was the process like living through actually having a new driveway put in?
The process was really wonderful, from the excavating right through to the time that the fellas came in to do the actual work. They were timely. They were very, very professional. I was really impressed with Tim, the owner, who came personally a number of times to see the job, and it went very, very smoothly.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
Oh, without a doubt, I would recommend them. They were very professional, as I said. I thought their craftsmanship, the foreman on the job, who took care of all the details on our job, was just an excellent individual and very impressive.
And how do you feel up when you pull up every day?
Well, we enjoy it every single day, and I think one of the nicest things that has happened is anybody who walks by, and I happen to be out in the yard, they comment on how nice it looks, and that is really something that is nice for us, but it's also a nice thing for your company to know that people have recognized it.